Turning on the mic. Hello.
Hello. How are you guys doing?
How are you doing? Let's
One of the new
updates.
things is actually that we moved the Wednesday stream to Friday because we only had one person watching on Wednesday. Funny enough, same one person was watching on the Friday and today. So hey, hi guy. Hi Peck is here too, took us alright, but we see only one viewer right now, so I'm not sure how it's counting.
Okay, let's show the updates. So, first problem is that half of this is on Serbian, because I wrote it quickly, and while we are reading the updates, we will update this one so we can update it on Discord. So let's start. Bug when unit icon gets scaled over the screen is fixed. That happened on Quest or something like that. Okay, item pop-up bag when it stays shown but there is no item rollover is fixed. Yeah, that sometimes was happening. For example, in the shop, if you roll over the item, you have this pop-up description, and if you press escape, shop closes, but you still have this pop-up following your mouse, whatever you do, until you until you roll over some other item or something similar like that. Okay, when permanent death battle, items on units that died will return to inventory. That was a big problem, and now it works, now it's fixed. So every item you put on unit, and if he dies in the battle, if it's permanent death battle, all the items will be returned to your inventory. So
actually,
that's
when
a
we
great
update
thing.
the game, it will be a bit OP because we should make the items. No, we could do it. We can make items more expensive now because now they are permanent and they are more valuable. So
Well, okay, we can
we
do
can
that.
do that.
Selection indicators za sve moguće situacije za iteme i unite, shop, battle preparation, inventory, unit info, and so on. Well, what that means is that selection indicators for every possible situation.
Mino habla Srbija.
Well, what this means, selection indicators, well, let me show.
Sure, yeah.
God damn it. So, for example, if you roll over this unit, you can see it's green. I don't know if that was if that's in the current version of the game, but okay, let me tell you. So that this green indicates that you can buy units. And let's say I'm gonna buy this one, I'm gonna buy that one, this one, and whatever. Here. Darko is sick, maybe.
Sick.
So, if I go in the ranked and accept this battle or whatever battle, you see that there is the red indicator. There is the red indicator that indicates basically that you cannot do this action, whatever it is. But if you see here, there is this green indicator that you can do this. And as you can see here, these points, if you want to put this knight here, it will calculate the number what will be if you do this action. So let's say I put this unit here. And I wanna orc as well. I wanna put it here. And that's 8 out of 9 points. And if I want to put archer here, well, white's yellow, I mean yellow, orangish, some kind of that color. Well, basically this means that you can do this action, but something will not be okay. For example, you will have a 10 out of 9 points. You basically can do this. I can like put archer here, but I cannot start the battle. And if I put it here, you see it's green, indicates that this is like a good action. And yeah. So I wanna fight orc, and let's put this archer here. And if you start to drag this item, you see it's green, indicates that you can do this, and this points power limit is green, so basically that's like a good thing. Again, if I want to put this, you see I can put this item on the archer, but the thing is I will exceed the number of allowed points. So yeah, basically I can do this. And if I do this, you see it calculates. And this is like a nice, what? I don't know what. It's nice.
Quality of life stuff.
Quality of life stuff, yeah. And there is a lot of these kind of situations and everything. And you can now see where you're dragging your item from. It's from here, and your item where you're dragging from. And yeah. So that's the thing. Okay, let's go next. You can now see from where you're dragging units and item icon with white rectangle, yeah. Item descriptions. Sada ima boje za sve statove. That means now it has, in the description there is a color for every stat. You see here, increases intelligence by 38. It's this 38 number is blue, and you see increased agility by 22. Well, 22, the number itself is like, what's that, yellow, not yellow, like orange. And yeah, you see stamina, it's like gray, blue. So basically you don't have to read like idiot to see what item does. or whatever is I don't know what I was talking about, but yeah, it's a nice thing to see this. Okay, let's go next. Pop-up on ability now shows values that are different from 0 or infinity, negative or positive or whatever. So this little pop-up, it shows only the values that are values, they are not, if they are like 0 or minus infinity or infinity, it won't show. So that's like a really nice thing. And the art itself is a bit different. It's same as the unit pop-up and the glyph pop-up. Zakrpa oko ekrana.
Oh, we have boxes.
You see this?
Yeah. We still need to figure out the thing about resolution. Like guy was playing it on 4x3 and it cut off half of the screen. So, but we'll figure it out. But at least you don't see trees, right?
You don't see trees, like this. You see them?
Yeah.
They're all over, and this prevents you to see the tree. Unit names. Well, now every unit has a randomized name. We have some pool of names for every type of unit, and actually every unit has its own like pool a pool of like list of possible names, and it's random. There is not much there, but
it's
we
also
will.
like they have names and the nicknames. And they
Yeah,
are
names
randomized.
and nicknames.
So
As you can see
somebody
here,
random, like-
what did I see? Did I saw Pear? I thought I saw
It
Pear.
would be funny if he still appears.
Yeah.
I think a knight could be Pera. Like, why not?
Yeah.
Let's leave it.
So Temes, Ina, Renna,
But click on somebody.
Urlin. So he's Temes and Temes the Butcher,
The butcher.
and she's Ina the Blind Archer. Blind
Oh,
Archer.
good luck. Good
Can
luck.
you imagine that? And she's also the blind. We got two
No,
blind archers.
she's short-sighted.
Short-sighted. We got two blind archers.
Yeah.
What? I didn't want to do that. Girl, the Blood Bane. Nimiu the Holy.
Not everybody has, like ghouls
Yeah.
don't have because they are. Nobody cares for them.
Ran the Green.
Nobody gave them nicknames.
Silence, yeah. Every everything currency, everything is rounded to 5. For example, because it's very bad to have like can you imagine 827 and you have this, you wanna buy this unit and he costs like 192, like, and you need to calculate, and
Overall,
that's
looks
overall
like-
yeah, it's
I
only
mean, you could still
5,
have
10,
these,
15, 20,
numbers
25, yeah.
If you sell somebody, because they are going
No.
to. Not even there.
I-
I didn't know that.
Yeah, you can see plus 40, plus
Ah,
65,
good job, I didn't
95.
know. I thought you made it only for
180.
shop. Awesome.
65, 85, yeah. Shop gold is updating when, okay. Well, you've probably seen this. You see here 825, and if I roll over this unit, he costs 155. And basically, you see it calculates itself.
How much you
Yeah.
have remaining,
Yeah.
or if you sell somebody.
You can see that here, but not there. There will be always your current currency amount will be shown, but here is to update. And this yellow indicates that I can buy, and this green indicates I can do this action, and that's it. I bought this unit. And this unit, if I wanna buy, so here it is minus 60 gold. I need 60 gold, and I cannot buy this unit because. And if I sell this one, I can 0. That's it. Item slots, new look. Well, as you can see, it's
They
looking
used to
different,
be
yeah.
really strong blue,
Yeah.
and they would kind of take attention from items. Now the items pop up kind of more.
yeah. Our items are more like distinct from the slots. Demon unit icons are now more distinct as well. Well, let me. Here they are. You see?
They have that frame that
Yeah,
is,
different
purple.
frame. Here is ghoul. And if I. You see how they are like.
Yeah.
You can see them better. Oh, okay. Well, this one is demons are now same level as other units, but 20%, 25% stronger and have additional ability. Well, here is the list. What ability? What you? Here is the list.
The new abilities.
Yeah. Hey,
Overall-
Medvedek!
Medvedek! We haven't
How
seen
are
you in a
you?
while. Yeah, how are you doing? So for demons, this was decided because we didn't have that thrill when you see a demon unit, you know, it should be like, hey, there's a demon unit, I really need to buy it, it's powerful, it's special, but there wasn't that thing because demons were only higher level, and you could just have 2 archers instead of a demon archer, and you would probably do better actually with 2 archers.
Yeah.
So there was no point. And then we now have demons, as you can see, they're the same level. Well, the maximum level.
The maximum
like,
level of
if mage goes
that
from
unit, yeah.
7 to 9, demon is 9. But look how much more expensive she is. She is 255 and she is 530 gold.
You can buy them
And the additional ability. So there is something fun to play around with.
yeah, we can compare them actually. Let's buy this one and this one. As you can see here, she has this.
They are randomized, so it's a bit harder to compare, but they are.
But you can see the
They're all
difference,
high,
yeah.
yeah.
Archer double arrow. Well, they would
But
kill
give
her.
her some item. Give her some, maybe
Well, she needs.
agility, but maybe some. Yeah, agility mostly. For dodge as well. Maybe.
You see, I don't
Maybe
have to
the
read
clock.
everything to find the agility
You have
item.
clock. Yeah,
Yeah,
some agility and maybe
And-
give her feet. Yeah, it's not great, but
yeah.
it's something. She'll probably lose, but they are like 9 levels in total and she's only 6, so. But we'll see, maybe not. No, she might win actually.
Yeah, she shoots double arrow.
One is making only 20% shooting damage,
Yeah.
but still, she is probably OP at this point, but we'll see.
Yep.
The idea is that demons should be OP, and this is like just part of the game. Like, they are really good, but they are rare, they are expensive, they can die, so that's
A brigand poison spear. No.
nah, it's just basically she has poison that stays on the target, and
Yeah, it gives like.
you see the green one. Oh, I thought it was a bag. It really made a
glitched.
big lag, yeah. No, it's not. He's
You see.
handling them pretty well, actually.
Yeah, easy.
Holy shit.
Why is that green? Because like it's
I colored
poison.
it green, yeah, because it's poison.
Yeah, nice.
Because it's actually an arrow only.
Okay, Cryomancer Frost Combustion.
I'm not sure about the name, but for now it's that. Combustion is usually used like for
Well,
flame or something like that, but
it's gonna take us like half more hour to see all of these things. So
you just want to show stuff that you made, huh?
no,
You see how
no.
this
But
is stuff-
let's
Inventory he can talk 20 hours about, but abilities that are actually fun part of the game, no? It's fine, I don't care.
Well,
basically
because
they are similar, they are fairly similar. Like Cryomancer,
Yeah.
he has, he can froze enemies around him, but we don't have any animation for that yet, so it's nothing spectacular. Ghoul has similar stuff like poison, it's just called different. He deals some damage over time, and the Knight reflects damage. Also Marauder, he can throw X and knock out units. So again, it's similar, we know, but we don't want to make a bunch of huge changes yet to the unit behaviors, because we want to implement all the other changes to the game first, and then we're gonna mess around with units and add to add stealth, we need to change everything. To add necromancer who can rise the dead, we need to change everything again. So not everything, but
yeah, a lot of things.
yeah. So yeah, let's
you-
play if that is that.
You will see it. So now
Actually, you can do the build the
let's
build, and
build the
I will
game and
update the game.
update on Steam.
Yep. So one other kind of biggest change that we want to make is we want to remove this rank going from 0 to 100. And we would put like game would last 20 weeks, that's it. And then the rank is like unlimited. If you can make it like to rank 200 in 20 weeks, like good for you, awesome. That's like a score in a way. So because right now you either lose or beat the game, and it doesn't feel that great if you lose, and if you beat the game you're like, alright, I beaten it, whatever. But like this, it will give you satisfaction to like, hey, I beat it better than the last time, or like just being able to like see some trace of how well you done and so on. So it's probably going to be better design.